Hi, boys and girls. It is Mrs. Decker with another edition of the Blue Book. And look, I just noticed I even wore a blue shirt. Blue Book. Coincidence? Who knows? All right, last time we did this, we talked about digraphs. Remember, digraphs are two letters that each have their own sound, but when you put them together, they make one sound, okay? Those would be letters like this. The C and the H says ch. The TH, SH, sh. And then this little guy right here I want to talk to you about, the CK. We know that the C can make two sounds. It can either say S or K. The K just says K. But when you put them together, they say K. K. I know. I don't know why they need both of them to say that, because they each say it by themselves, but I didn't make the rules, folks. I'm just telling you how it is. The CK, whenever you see it, makes the K sound. You're not going to see the CK at the beginning of a word. You're going to usually see it in the middle or the ending of a word. But you do need to know that it does just make that one sound. It's not K, it's just K. Okay? So let's start with rhyming words. Which word rhymes with chore? Is it shore or chill? Shore. Chore, shore. Good job. Which word rhymes with chick? Chop or thick? Thick. Chick, thick. Which word rhymes with moth? Is it cloth or stand? Cloth. Moth, cloth. Which word rhymes with thin? Is it thank or chin? Chin. Thin, chin. Which word rhymes with ship? Is it chip or tank? Chip. Ship, chip. Which word rhymes with chop? Is it shop or must? Shop, chop, shop. Okay, now we're going to listen for beginning sounds. Rush. R. Chew. Ch. CH. Hitch. H. Short. Sh. SH. Theme. TH. Deal. D. Good job, everybody. Now let's get our blenders out here so we can listen for those beginning, middle, and ending sounds, and then we will blend those together to make the word. Here we go. Ill. Chill. Ace. Chase. Ick. Thick. Shock. Shock. Chain. Chain. Chef. Chef. And choice. Choice. Good job, everybody. Now we're going to punch out some ending sounds, and these are digraphs. So after we punch out the sound, we will name the two letters that make that ending sound. Here we go. Bunch. Ch. CH. Wish. SH. Make sure you're doing this with me. Breath. T, H. Sorry, I'm a little choppy today. Path. T, H. Rush. Sh, S, H. Leash. Sh, S, H. Thanks for being patient with me through that one. I kind of messed that one all up. Sorry about that. But I'm sure you guys did great listening for those ending sounds. Now we're going to chop up some words. So get your choppers out and be ready to listen for those beginning, middle, and ending sounds. Here we go. Sheep. 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 Them. Them. Chop. 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 Third. 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 Shake. 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 Chance. 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 That was a tricky one. Cheek. Eek. Cheek. Good job, everybody. Take a drink break. All those sounds can make your mouth dry. All right, now we're going to add some beginning sounds. Is. Add this. Of. Add sh. Shove. Ill. Add ch. Chill. Ink. Add th. Think. Ant. Add ch. Chant. Good job, everybody. Now let's take away some of those beginning digraphs. Chick. Take away ch. Ick. Thing. Take away th. Ing. Shell. Take away sh. L. Champ. Take away ch. Amp. Thumb. Take away th. Good job, everybody. All right, now we're going to change some of those beginning digraphs to make some new words. Here we go. Thick. Change th to ch. Chick. Good job. Win. Change w to th. Thin. Hut. Change h to sh. Shut. Thumb. Change th to ch. Chum. Your chum is like your friend or your buddy. You're my chum. Lock. Change ol to sh. Shock. Yes. I was just looking at this book, Shark Lady, and I was thinking that chum, I think, also means like the stuff that they give to sharks, like they throw in the water for sharks to eat. So, anyways, here are the digraphs that we worked with today. CH, ch, say that sound, ch. TH, SH, sh. And then the CK, k, k. All right, awesome job today, everybody. Keep sounding out those words when you're reading, looking for those digraphs in the beginning, middle, and end of the word. And I hope that's helpful to you. Bye, guys. Have a great day.